Hi everyone, welcome back to mathematics class. In the previous session we have discussed regarding exercise 2.1 second and third main. Let us discuss fourth main. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. In that first problem they have given minus 13, next one minus 13 by 19, third one 1 by 5, fourth one minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. And fifth one minus 1 into minus 2 by 5, sixth one minus 1. Before going to the topic, let us discuss first what is meant by multiplicative inverse. In the previous videos, I have explained in the properties of rational number what is meant by multiplicative inverse. Let us recall one more time. For example, if you consider 2 by 3. For example, if you consider 2 by 3. Which number if you multiply means you will get a product as a 1. Which number you multiply for 2 by 3 means you will get a product of 1. That is inverse of these numbers. Inverse of these numbers multiply means you will get a product as a 1. For example, you can see here 2 by 3 if you multiply inverse 3 by 2. What happens? 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. That is equal to 1. 6 is get cancelled. What remains? 1 remains. So LHS is equal to RHS. So for 2 by 3 to get to product 1, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply reverse reciprocal. This reciprocal only we are calling what? Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the given number. We are going to call multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the given number. Now we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of these given numbers. In the first one, that is they have given minus 13. Here sign will not interchange, only the number will interchange as a numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now so minus 13, the multiplicative inverse is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus, in a 13 denominator not have anything means it having 1, so it becomes 1 by 13. 1 by 13. Next problem, minus 13 by 19. For this the multiplicative inverse is what? Can you guess? Yes. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is minus, we have to take as it is 19 by 13. Sign will interchange in additive inverse, not multiplicative inverse. You should not get confusion. In a multiplicative inverse, only the numbers are interchanging. Numbers are interchanging. Now you can see here the third problem they have given what? They have given 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1 or 5 also you can say. Next, the fourth problem, what they have given? Fourth problem, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Now you may get confusion how you have to find out the multiplicative inverse. Very easy, you can see here. First we have to find out the product of these numbers. So what happens? Minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15, 8 7s are 56. Now for this we have to find out what? Multiplicative inverse. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of plus 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. 56 by 15. Next, fifth problem. What they have given? Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. So here also we have to find out first product and then we have to find out what? Multiplicative inverse. Minus into minus plus. 1 2s are 2. Here in the denominator not have any number means it having 1. So 1 5s are 5. So what you will get 2 by 5. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. In the same way, sixth problem what they are given? -1. So minus 1, what is the multiplicative inverse? For -1 itself only multiplicative inverse. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of -1 is -1 only. Next we will move on to fifth main. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. First problem you can see here, -4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into -4 by 5 is equals to -4 by 5. Can you guess here which properties they have used? You can see here 1 is multiplied for the number and even here also 1 is multiplied. Then the product what you will get? -4 by 5. Here they have used 1 is a multiplicative identity. 1 is a multiplicative identity. What they have used? The property that is multiplicative identity. They have multiplicative identity property they have used. Next the second problem, -13 by 17 into -2 by 7 is equals to -2 by 7 into -13 by 17. Here which property they have used? Can you guess? Here you can see here in LHS side they have multiplied -13 by 17 into -2 by 7. In the RHS side what they have did? They have reversed and multiplied, that is -2 by 7 into -13 by 17. Now you can say that this is the under what property? Commutativity. Under commutativity. Here which property they have used? Commutativity. Next third problem, -19 by 29 into 29 by -19 is equals to what you will get? 1. The product what you will get? 1. Here you can see here for -19 by 29 into 29 by -19. Here they have what they have did? They have multiplied reciprocal itself. So we can say that here which property they have used? Here they have used multiplicative inverse. They have used what? Multiplicative inverse. They have used multiplicative inverse. They are used. You can see here children, -4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into -4 by 5 is equals to -4 by 5. It is comes under the property what? 1 is a multiplicative identity. Next -13 by 17 into -2 by 7 is equals to -2 by 7 into -13 by 17. Here what property they have used? Commutativity. What property they have used? Commutativity. Next you can see here -19 by 29 into 29 by -19 is equals to 1. Here which property they have used? Multiplicative inverse. What they have used? Multiplicative inverse. Next we will move on to sixth problem. Multiplies 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of -7 by 16. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of what? -7 by 16. First we have to find out the reciprocal of -7 by 16. Which is reciprocal? That is -16 by 7. -16 by 7. If you multiply with that 6 by 13 into -16 by 7, what you will get? 16 6 how much? 16 6 6 6 36, carry 3, 6 1 6, 6 plus 3 96. So -96. Then 13 7, how much? 13 7 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 91. So, what you will get if you multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16, what you will get? Minus 96 by 91. Therefore, if you multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 17 by 16, what you will get is that is minus 96 by 91. Minus 96 by 91. Next, we will move on to 7th problem. You can see here, tell what property allow you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Can you guess here which property they have used? Obviously, we have learnt about properties of rational number. Here, they have grouped the numbers. So, if they grouped and if they multiply, means what type of property it comes? That is associativity. What type of property they are used here? That is associativity. They have used associativity property in this case. Associativity they have used. They have used to compute what 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. I hope you all understood about 5th, 6th and 7th problem. In the next section we will continue this exercise 2.1. Thank you children.